Hi there everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. This is part one of repairing a HDHR front left here in Australia, passenger guard, driver's side in the US and other countries, but anyway, left hand guard. Basically, I'll be doing this over a little bit of time because there is a little bit of work that needs to be done with this one, and I want to try and do it properly and best job I can possibly do. So I got to remove the inner wheel well and go from there and that. But I'll flip this around and give you a look at what will be happening and what parts will be made up and that sort of stuff, and yeah, so I'll show you guys after the intro. So this, I stripped back previously all the filler on the outside, and that, yeah, the only filler I haven't worried about is the filler that's in here. As you can see, there's a lot there because most of this section here will probably be getting replaced because there's still filler up in here as well. So I have a replacement panel that's been sourced from the customer, and that to do this part. I will be restoring it to factory and putting the drain hole in later on the other piece once it's welded in. But with this one here, because of the way it is, I've got to unstitch this section here from the wheel well, from the lip. So it doesn't look like there's going to be too many spot welds that I can come across, and that because I've got to make this section here like basically I'll have to try and make the repair sections bit by bit once I've unstitched it, but then on the inside here it's rusted out as well, so I've got to, it's got the shape there, so I've got to make up another patch to go in here, and then bring it around along the top of the guard where the bolt holes are. There's one there. Don't know why there's an extra hole there for, and that, but bolt hole there and a bolt hole there, and for some reason another hole there, which I don't think there is on the HR guards, is there? Oh yeah, there is. Oh yeah, there's an extra hole there. So that extra hole there is for the screw for the, what's that screw for? I can't remember, but I'll have to have a look into what that hole was for. So yeah, so it's got a little bit of surface rust on the inside there, so when I get into cleaning all this, then I will wire wheel all the inside on that, and then I'll just prime it for now. Edge prime it just to keep it from rusting more. This section doesn't need to be, but that little hole is blocked, so we'll try and clean that out. Straighten this bit here back out, and look into this part here. Now I make that section, so that's okay. I will probably have to look at making that section myself instead of using the stock that I've got, I can use it as a template and make it. But yeah. So that's what's happening at the moment. Once I've unstitched it, I'll come back and I'll show you, and yeah, we'll go from there. No worries then, take it easy, cheerio. So now I'm back. I've just managed to unstitch the inner wheel well. I just didn't think it was worth boring you guys with drilling out the spot welds. But I'll flip you around and we'll have a look at the results. So, got it all unspot welded. I'll go along and straighten that lip up and that later. This bit's got to be redone anyway, so I've just cut that loose from there instead of trying to unspot weld it. And that, so it's going to take, oh hang on, where's it still attached? Right there by the look of it. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, so it should be unattached. There we go. Wow. Well, that I wasn't expecting. We have a hole in there to repair. So, yeah, a little bit of filler. Now, there's put this down on the ground so I can show you. There's the inner guard. It's going to need a few repairs. This section of the lip there, maybe this section here, and then of course that section down there, and around here as well. Sorry about the shitty camera work. And then this area here. So I'll have to make a new section to go in there, and a new section there, and then down into this section, and that. So I will have to check out this part here on mine and see where it all is. So I'll come over and look from the back side here. So other than repairing here and here, well, basically this area here is the back, well, the front section here, and we'll work on this as well. Get the wire wheel in all there, and then we'll start going around and repairing the outer sections and that. But yes, not happy that I found rust in the outer lip, but that's okay. I've got a small bit somewhere that I might be able to just use as a patch there. I'm going to have to take this section off, make the template for there, and then weld that in. This part here goes around there, like so. So yeah, big bit of work. Let's go on, there we go. And that's, I'm going to leave it here for this video. And that I will get on and we'll make part 2 within the next week or two. And that probably the next week before Christmas we'll get a Christmas special up. And yeah, thanks everyone. Till next time, stay safe, keep the rubber side down. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Jump over or jump down in the description. There'll be a list of all my friends throughout Facebook, YouTube. Sorry, not Facebook. But hey, don't forget, like my Facebook page too. If not, go and follow. Anyway, until next time, stay safe, keep the upside down. Cheerio.